morning. Good morning, XRP. Woke me up actually. Woke me up around 3 something. And it was at like 271. So I'm just going to stay up for the day. XRP is my largest holding. So I want to break down the charts for you guys today and kind of tell you what I think potentially is next. All I ask that you drop a like, you subscribe, of course, and go ahead and grab your coffee if you haven't had any. I'm about to leave to go charge the Rivian because I have not had an electrician come out to the house yet, and they have to do some electrical work basically and install something so that my Rivian can charge at home a lot faster. So now I have to go charge it right now in a second. But I wanted to make this video first for you guys, especially the ones that are up early with me. I appreciate you. I want to just kind of teach you some things today with XRP and show you what I'm thinking next, right? And again, XRP is my largest holding right now. My cryptos tend to fluctuate with which ones run. At one point, Litecoin was my largest holding. Dogecoin has been a large holding of mine. Jasmy has been a large holding of mine. And XYO is creeping up there. And we might end today's video with a little bit of XYO. So if you're in XYO, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're feeling about that. But you can see when this starts to form, guys, on a daily time frame where it makes higher highs and the RSI makes lower highs, it's called negative divergence. It's bearish short term. When this starts to pile up on multiple times on a daily time frame, it gets bearish longer. So we obviously had one point right here. This broke this, so this was not negative divergence, which is great. But then you can see that this high is lower than this high. This is lower than this high, so this is not negative divergence. Now this is going to be interesting because right now we're breaking out from this high, but the RSI is lower than this. So what could happen is this could be a fake rally. We get higher than this point, and that today, basically, we close today higher. And if the RSI is lower, then I would say 76. And as of right now, it's at 70, almost 71. Then that would also be negative divergence, kind of like what this played out. What I think will happen is this is going to push higher than this. This will actually break this high of 289. And I think XRP is ready for its next leg up. The reasons I think that is the EMA. See how we're hanging on the EMA right now, okay? We have not broken this green line. We've wicked down to the white line, but this is higher lows. This is actually very bullish for XRP. By the way, guys, if you want to learn more about this and being part of our community, I would join the Patreon. The links are down below. I also called out Snow stock. I do a lot of different stocks in crypto. It's pretty awesome. October 19th, I said 30% upside for Snow from here. Trading tight to the 21 EMA, expecting to move up to the volume, which was right here at 155. Current price is 119. Talk about the MACD. I literally make posts every day in the Patreon. Well, this is October 19th. You can see 2 months later, we're trading at 172. So I was telling people to buy here, okay, which hopefully some people did. And now we're up here. Huge gap up. Crazy. So I think this was an earnings report also. But I tend to see things before they happen. And this is why I look really at the weekly. I think more long-term, weeks to months out. So if you're busy with your business or you have a job and you have a family like myself, my strategy works best for you. It's more of a buy and hold strategy. Let's take max profit in the following 2 to 4 weeks, maybe 2 months, right? So we talk about a lot of different stocks. So join if you want. Links are down below. Prices for all the tiers will go up January 1st, 2025, but not for current members. The ones who have been with me, prices will not increase on you. I appreciate you. So let's look at this again. Talking about Fibonacci, we want to take it from this high point, bring it down to the bottom wick right here. And you can see right now what is happening is we are breaking the 786 level. So a daily candle close above this would be a very good sign. You can already see we're breaking this high. We also want the RSI to go a lot higher. That would just show us that bullish momentum is here for a while. This isn't just going to be like a fake out and then break right back down. So if all that happens, then my next target would be about $3.48. This would be the 1.618 level. If we pull up a weekly real quick, I want to see where the heck is it? I guess this is a, what chart is this? Let's go to the Binance chart. Okay, that's better. So here we go. So the 1.618 level, let's bring this line up to right here, which should be about 350 roughly. You could see that there is probably going to be some resistance here. At least on this chart, I mean, I think XRP's all-time high was like 384. So once we get past this, it seems like XRP can go on a rally. And this is why I made my last video that I think we're going above $7. But this is kind of the next fib levels I'm looking for. It's about 348. Then we got 452. Then we have 548. And then a full Fibonacci retracement from this little pullback right here would get us to about $6. Okay. The thing you guys want to be watching for is negative divergence. I would love to see on a weekly time frame, meaning like this week, because the candle closes on Sunday. I would love to see XRP just push up from here. And I would love to see this RSI get above 91. Right now it's at 86. Just be aware that this is still very overbought levels for XRP. So if any negative divergence forms on a weekly, that would be a top signal, short term at least, for several weeks, in my opinion. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but we're going to be locked in on these cryptos. So hopefully this video was helpful today. If we just kind of look at XYO real quick, because I know a lot of people hold that. It's pretty simple. Like every time it touches the Keltner lines, especially for this high risk crypto under $500 million market cap, it tends to sell off, back test the EMAs, touches the Keltner line, sells off. Well, we've touched the Keltner line twice now, so I wouldn't be surprised if we just kind of consolidate for a couple weeks and wait for these EMAs to come up a little bit. These EMAs are pretty low, about right below a penny and a half. So I don't think technically that would happen. I mean, XYL could come back down and test this support right here. We have support. This used to be resistance. This will act as support now around a penny and a half. Could it happen? Sure, anything could happen. But with XYO, I do think it has one more leg up at least. If I just take a Fibonacci from this high to this low, this would get us to a full Fibonacci retracement of about 6 cents. And this has always been my target for XYO. I have traded a little bit out at 2.9, right under 3 pennies. I sold about 25% of my XYO bag, and I moved it into XRP when XRP was at $1.94. So far that's playing out very nicely. But with this, I love XYO, how it's made higher highs on the RSI. And I'm thinking we get one more leg up at least for this high risk crypto. And then I'll decide what I want to do once we're up here. So with that, guys, I hope you have a great day. Drop a like, and we'll see you on the next one.